Whoa! Ow! 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 Yes! Just gonna go out on day 2 or head over to GOLFIE, and I don't know whether we're going back over in the leafing side today. Boys, boys, boys. Oh, Alex, absolute asbo. First trail, day 2. How sketchy. Oh, I was sick. Yeah. Oh, that was good. Holy Santa Claus. Yeah, that was good. Whoa! Ow! 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 So that crash has just resulted in a snapped brake lever, so duct taped up to get to the bottom, and I think that is it for me for the trip. So that's a wrap on the weekend, guys. Rode some absolutely sick trails. There's Bish with a bald head. I don't know whether it's a walking boy. Steep Tech was the ticket for the day. Obviously, I think we knew that before we got up there. But if anyone's got any recommendations, if we come up again, of what trails to ride, if you recognise that we didn't ride them, leave a comment down below and let me know. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below as well. Not just if you know some other tracks, but just let me know what you think, and catch you next time.